In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on WooCommerce. Managing taxes might seem daunting, especially if you're new to e-commerce or WooCommerce specifically, but no worries, by the end of this guide, you'll be more comfortable navigating your WooCommerce dashboard and setting up the tax rates for your products. Let's begin with the basics, accessing your WooCommerce account. First off, navigate to the WooCommerce website. Once you're there, you'll see a button or link prompting you to log in. Click on it. This is your gateway to accessing the WooCommerce features and ultimately setting up your taxes. After clicking on the login button, you might be taken to a wordpress.com login page. This is because WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress and thus uses wordpress.com's authentication system for login. Here you will be presented with two options: entering your email address and password associated with your WooCommerce account or signing in with Google. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you're new to WooCommerce or WordPress, you might favor signing in with Google for ease of access and one less password to remember. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WooCommerce dashboard. It's essentially the command center for your online store. Here you'll find everything you need to manage your products, orders, customers, and yes, your taxes. Your next step is to access your profile. In the WooCommerce dashboard, there should be a link or an icon, often on the top right corner, that takes you to your profile. Click on this. Your profile is where you can manage your personal information, preferences, and account settings. Once in your profile, look for a section or link labeled taxpayer codes or something along those lines. This is where you can input or manage tax-related information for your business. Depending on your country, you might need to enter specific tax registration numbers or codes. This is crucial for compliance and ensuring that the taxes you collect with your sales are properly processed and reported. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need to enter taxpayer codes? Well, the answer lies in the legal obligations of selling goods and services. Most countries have regulations around sales taxes, VAT or similar, and as a merchant you're required to adhere to these rules. By setting up your taxpayer information correctly in WooCommerce, you ensure that your store collects the correct amount of tax on each sale, keeping you compliant with local laws. But where exactly do you find this taxpayer code or registration number? Typically, this would be something you obtain from your local tax authority when you register your business. Each country has its own procedures, so if you're unsure, it's best to consult with a tax professional or your local tax office. Adding tax rates manually to each product or order can be time-consuming. Fortunately, WooCommerce simplifies tax management by automating tax calculations, but it needs accurate information to work correctly. This includes setting your store's base location, inputting tax rates for various regions, and classifying your products according to different tax rules. A pro tip here would be to regularly check that your tax settings and rates are up to date. Tax laws can change, and staying compliant means staying informed. WooCommerce does a lot of the heavy lifting, but it's up to you to ensure the initial setup and ongoing maintenance are accurate. So whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital downloads, or offering services, understanding how to manage taxes in WooCommerce is essential. It's not just about compliance, it's also about providing clear and accurate pricing for your customers. Remember, the key to managing taxes effectively in WooCommerce begins with setting up your taxpayer information correctly. From there, the rest falls into place more smoothly. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to add tax on WooCommerce and why it's important for your e-commerce success. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your online store. Happy selling!